Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make Mike Wazowski undress to impress. So I just colored my body green, and I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to color everything the same color as the rest of my body, essentially. Then I'm going to get this fur coat, color it green as well. Then you are going to go here, grab this jacket, and you're going to color it the same color as the rest. Okay, go to the Halloween post pack and select headless. Select this pumpkin, and then you're going to want to do default and color it white, and make sure you toggle it to matte. Get this bag and then color it all the same color. Then you're also going to grab this bell, and you're going to again color it the same color. Lastly, just grab the apple and color it the same as his eyeball, so like blue. And that's pretty much it. It does move a little bit sometimes, but that's pretty much how you can make Mike Wazowski undress to impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.